musi yo tou sala maḓuvha a si gathi uri hu ḓivhadzwe mvelelo dza matiriki dza mahoḽa ya mbo ḓi fhiritshela ya mulayo vhukati ha vha muhasho wa pfunzo dza fhasi na vha Afriforum. Vha Afriforum ndi vhe vhaṋetshedza makumedzwa avho Khothe vha tshi khou hanedzana na tsheo ya muhasho ya u sa ḓo andadza mvelelo idzo kha nyandza-mafhungo.
The ministry is presently, so to speak, sitting on an enormous amount of data, which I submit should be made available in the public interest so that interest groups can analyze the data and interpret the data. And there's a lot to be interpreted. Firstly, the national pass rate should be interpreted. The provincial pass rates should be interpreted. The pass rates in respect of individual subjects, such as maths and science and all the rest, should be interpreted. And it should not be left to the minister to control that data and keep it out of the public sphere.
Khothe mbo ḓi tshea I tshi khou ima na vha Afriforum. Vha Afriforum na vha Moroela Media vho ṱanganedza na u khoḓa Khothe kha khaṱulo iyo.
There should be a watchdog in terms of the integrity of the matric results, but it's especially important because we know 80% of our schools are dysfunctional, and we cannot destroy young people's lives by not having ways of taking on what is wrong. And by having this information publicly available, it cannot be hidden which schools are dysfunctional, so interventions are then possible. So this is much broader than simply just announcing results for people to know.
The more platforms it's available on, the better it is. Different matrics use different platforms for the information. People read different platforms. And I think the more platforms publish information like this.
Vha muhasho navho vha pfala vha sa khou hanedzana na khaṱulo iyo.
Every sector, every individual who deals with personal information, you need to consider how the act is going to impact on the things that you do. As a department, we attended workshops and we also sought legal opinion, and we communicated with stakeholders on what the expectations were going to be. So even when we took that decision, it was us attempting to comply with the Protection of Personal Information Act.
Vha Afriforum na vha Moroela Media vari u ḓivhadzwa ha mvelelo kha nyandza-mafhungo zwi ḓo isa phanḓa na u takula tshirunzi tsha milingo ya matiriki.